Bilo Bilo.
Coconut milk. Then, boil them. Put a can of water. Wait for it to boil again before adding sugar for the right sweetness. Mix well so that the sugar does not form. Boil well. Wait for it to boil before adding the sweet potato. Wait to boil for 5 minutes to cook the sweet potato.
Put the glutinous rice flour,
Haluan.
will be placed next.
Banana. Sago.
There is no jackfruit, so we will put sweet corn.
Mix well. You will see that it is almost cooked. The fire must be low so that it does not burn. Stir well and make sure it doesn't burn at the bottom of the pan. You will notice that our rounded rice flour is cooked. That's how our Bilo Bilo of Yui is ready. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. You will notice that our rounded rice flour is cooked. That's how our Bilo Bilo of Yui is ready. Let's eat. Thank you for watching.